Hey guys, how to download PUBG Mobile on PC? Want to play PUBG Mobile on your PC? I'll show you the fastest way to download and install it so you can start playing in minutes. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now open web browser in your PC and search steam.com, link in description. And click the install Steam, and again click the install Steam. Steam downloading will started. Steam downloading is completed. To open download folder in your PC and install Steam from here, but my laptop is already installed. And then open Steam and sign in or create an account. And search PUBG and click the PUBG Battleground. And scroll down, you see the add to library, click on it and click OK. And your game will add it to library. Go to library, click at the top library. And find here PUBG, click on it. And click the install, and again click the install. And click the accept. PUBG game downloading will start it, please wait. And that's it. PUBG Mobile is ready on your PC. Like and subscribe for more quick gaming tutorials.